inspire, create, and learn. Welcome to Nebula Nest. I'm David, joined by Ting Ting and our son Ju Lin. We explore cultural diversity, celebrate holidays, teach ESL, and foster child development through arts, crafts, and STEM. Subscribe and join us on our mission to nurture creativity and curiosity. Let's play a game. How many can you get correct? Let's go! What is it? A eye or an eye? It's an eye. What is it? A cat or an cat? It's a cat. What is it? A anchor or an anchor? It's an anchor. What is it? A hour or an hour? It's an hour. What is it? A hat or an hat? It's a hat. What is it? A honor badge or an honor badge? It's an honor badge. What is it? A herb or an herb? It's an herb. What is it? A fox or an fox? It's a fox. What is it? A antelope or an antelope? It's an antelope. What is it? A ecosystem or an ecosystem? It's an ecosystem. What is it? A radio or an radio? It's a radio. What is it? A door or an door? It's a door. What is it? A sink or an sink? It's a sink. What is it? A van or an van? It's a van. What is it? A camel or an camel? It's a camel. How many did you get correct? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. Check out our other videos for more inspiration, and for additional resources and bonus content, visit our blog linked in the description below. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop learning.